evening in Philippines, and good morning in US, and good afternoon all around the world, and India, and all over the world. So yeah, welcome. So we are live because I'm. What is that? What kind of bird is that? Arf arf. Okay. So hello again, guys. Louis vlogging here. Welcome. And we are here in the relative's house. So I'm just sitting here for myself here, and yeah, I'm just chilling out here, and I don't have any doing in my life. And last afternoon, I'm so very exhausted, and yeah, a lot, very exhausted. Hello, hello, guys, welcome. Keeper. Uy! Ay, welcome, three viewers. Hello. Where are you from?